Finding a document fast in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to search the library, narrow by category or equipment, and open a manual right in the browser next to the machine. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Maintenance, Docs, Knowledge Base from your dashboard. Need a manual or SOP fast? Don't scroll, search for it. Type a keyword into the search bar, like the equipment name or the topic you're after, and results filter as you type. You can narrow things down with the category filter on the side: educational, compliance, support, or filter by the piece of equipment it's linked to. Every document is already filed and tagged, so the right one surfaces fast. Click a document to open it right in the browser. No download needed, so you can check it on a phone with the manual open next to the machine. And if you're standing at an asset, you can get to its documentation straight from the asset's own page instead of searching at all. Either way, the answer is a few seconds away.